Welcome to Yoga with Rituals. My name is Carly, and in this class we'll be using some dynamic, fast-paced movements to really build strength and power. It's like an espresso shot for your body. Okay, let's get started. So let's pounce into downward facing dog. And just start by spreading the fingers wide and just wriggling around a little, just feeling into your body. Find the breath. So we're going to dive straight in really quickly. Inhale, roll forward, plank pose. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lift the hips up. Inhale, roll forward, plank pose. And then bring your knees down, cross your feet over. And we're going to do a few push-ups to build strength for our chaturanga. Bend the elbows, lower down. Press up. 5. Press. 4. Press. 3. 2, 1. Hold here. Bring the tops of the feet to the floor. Lift your knees. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Inhale, roll forward, plank pose. This time we're going to find a double chaturanga. Lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. And then tuck the toes. Bend the elbows. Press up. Downward facing dog. One more time, roll forward, plank pose. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And then once again, another chaturanga. Press up, downward dog. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Inhale, left leg high. Bring your left knee to your left elbow, squeeze. Lower down to the wrist. Lift up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold here, and then find your wild thing. Bring your foot behind you, lift up, reach back, hold for 3, 2, 1. Left hand to the floor, left leg high, left knee, right elbow, squeeze, lower down to the wrist, lift, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, extend your leg out to the side, right arm high. Reach your right arm forward, and then lower into the floor, lower the hips down. Spread the fingers wide, tuck the back toes, and then press into your hands to lift the hips up, squeeze through your obliques. Lower down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift up, and then lower the hips down, spread your legs wide. Right elbow to the inside of your right knee. Lift the left arm high and then reach towards your foot. Hold the right shoulder forward, left shoulder back. 1 more breath. And then lift the chest up. Left hand to the floor. Right arm high, breathe in. Right hand to the floor, left leg high. Knee to nose, hold here. Lift the hips a little higher. And then bring your shin to the floor, coming into your pigeon pose. Slide the right leg back. Find your blocks. Place your hands on your blocks. Tuck the back toes and then press into your hands. Lift the hips up. Straighten the front leg. Lower down. Open the chest. Lift the chin. Lift up. 5. Lower. 4. Lower. 3. 2. 1. Hold here. And then lower the hips down. Option 1, hands on the blocks. Option 2, hands to heart. Option 3, reach the arms up high. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Bring your hands to the floor. Step back, downward dog. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Inhale, roll forward, plank pose. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Double chaturanga. Press up, downward dog. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Inhale, right leg high. Right knee left, right elbow, squeeze. Lower down, lift up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift up, hold. And then find your wild thing. Lift the hips, reach the right arm back. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Right hand to the floor, right leg high. Right knee, left elbow, squeeze. Lower down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold here. Extend your leg out to the side, left arm high, fallen star. Reach forward, and then lower your hips and your hand to the floor. Tuck the back toes, press into the hands, lift up, squeeze. Lower down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift up, and then lower the hips down. Left elbow to the inside of the left knee, right arm high, and then reach towards your foot. Deep breath in, long breath out. Inhale, lift up, right hand to the floor, lift the left arm high, fallen star. Left hand down, right leg high. Knee to nose, hold here, lift the hips higher, and then find your pigeon pose. Slide the left leg back, hands to blocks. Deep breath in, roll the shoulders back, open chest, lift chin, and then press into your hands, tuck your toes, lift up, straighten the front leg, lower down, lift up, 5, lower, 4, lower, 3, lower, 2, 1 more, lift up, hold here, and then lower down. Maybe keep the hands here, maybe hands to heart, maybe reach up. Or 3, 2, 1. Release your hands to the floor, press back, downward dog. Deep breath in, long breath out. Inhale, roll forward, plank pose. Lower down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release down. Your hands behind your back, interlace your fingers. Squeeze your palms together, lift your chest. Look down, find length in the back of the neck. Maybe lift your chest a little higher. 3, 2, 1. Release. Place your hands under your shoulders, tuck your toes, lift up, plank pose. Lift the right arm high, side plank. Reach your right arm forward, lift the hips a little higher. Right hand to the floor, left arm high. Reach forward, lift the hips. Left hand to the floor, shift forward, lower down chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, double chaturanga. And the elbows, press up, plank, downward facing dog. Deep breath in, long breath out. Bring your knees to the floor. Sink your hips to your heels, find a child's pose. Slow down the breaths. One more breath here. And then gently lift up. And then find a seat. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling strong and sweaty. Maybe you can start by doing this class once, and then as you build more strength, you can maybe try doing it 2 or 3 times with a little break in between.